Begin with a magic ring. Into the ring, work 1 double crochet 3 together, then chain 1. Repeat that sequence 8 times in total. Sometimes we think that finishing a shape means reaching the end. But very often, it is not the end at all. It is the moment when that shape becomes ready to begin something new. Join with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first double crochet 3 together. Total 8 double crochet 3 together, 8 chain 1 spaces. In the first chain 1 space, work 1 6 double crochet cluster. Chain 2. Repeat all of that 7 more times around. Up to this point, the principal motif had its own beauty. Now it begins to gain something more. The possibility of meeting other motifs and becoming part of something larger. Join with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first cluster. Total 8 6 double crochet clusters, 8 chain 2 spaces. Work 4 half double crochets in the chain 2 space as well and chain 1. Repeat this same sequence 7 more times around. There are times in life when we are asked to do the same. not to change what is essential in us, but to find a way to shape what we have lived, so it can join what is still to come. Total, 32 half double crochets, 8 chain 1 spaces. In the chain 1 space, work 2 treble crochets. Chain 2, and 2 more treble crochets. Then work 2 double crochets. Five half double crochets. And 2 double crochets. Repeat all of that 3 more times around. What is beautiful is that the piece does not lose its identity when it becomes part of something else. It remains itself, and yet it can now become a blanket, a cushion, a bag, a wall hanging. Something that can accompany life in a new way. Total, 16 treble crochets, 16 double crochets, 20 half double crochets, 4 chain 2 spaces. Work 1 front post half double crochet in every stitch of the previous round. In each corner, chain 2. Sometimes a new form does not appear all at once. It emerges little by little, as each small step finds its place. And only then do we begin to see that what once seemed unfinished was quietly becoming ready. Total, 52 front post half double crochets, 4 chain 2 spaces. In the corner chain space, work 2 half double crochets, chain 1, and 2 half double crochets. Then work 13 half double crochets through the back loop only. Something similar happens in our own lives. There are experiences that first live quietly within us, and only later discover the form through which they can become comfort, companionship, beauty, or meaning for a new season of life. Repeat this same sequence 3 more times around. Total, 68 half double crochets, 4 corner spaces. In the corner chain space, work 1 double crochet 3 together. Then work 17 half double crochets through the back loop only. And perhaps that is also part of finding meaning, discovering that what we have made, what we have lived, and what we have woven can still join something greater and give rise to a new form of life. Repeat this same sequence 3 more times around. Join with 1 slip stitch in the closing chain of the first double crochet 3 together. Total 68 half double crochets work through the back loop only, for double crochet 3 together. Thank you for crocheting with me. And remember, here there is always a chair, a little light and company. We keep going together.